that bill up behind you, Dave.
It'll rip it off?
That mud was a bit deeper than I thought.
Oh, fuck, Bill. Have I ripped that side step
No,
off?
you haven't, no.
Not yet?
You're hooked at the moment. Can you come backwards? Whoa, 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 whoa. You'll have to get...
Rose rocking here.
Cool, no, no.
Yeah, it always does. It jumps around. Funny hop goes forward, wait. Fun like that. Oh, I love it.
Thanks, Dave. Oh, fuck. Piece of piss, mate. Where'd that radio go?
Oh, it's under you somewhere.
Are you sitting on it?
No, I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah. You want me to stop, Serge?
Yeah, just, you see, it's the person behind you. Oh no, it's alright, Dave's gone through.
Yeah. You can hold that.
I don't know how these rocks get in. Some can't put them there.
Holy fuck, look at this. Look at this, Dave.
Oh no. Actually, that's the one I think it's seen in the film.
Well, this could be a bit shady.
Oh.
Hey Cam, am I supposed to ride my left wheel on that log? Where the bracket is?
Yeah.
Where the bracket fucking hangs down that fucking far. I reckon I'll get hung up on a piece of grass with it.
Get hung up in a bog hole?
Not yet.
We're rolling back, we'll put a track there. Two tracks there.
It's going to, you'll be right with that. Listen, hang on.
A little bit more. Oh, hang on. Yeah, that's gotcha.
Turn down a little bit just so you're on the log, yeah.
Which way? Left?
Okay, down a bit. Too
Yeah,
much.
that's
Whoop.
too much.
Just there.
Yeah.
Alright, gentle, gentle.
Go.
First gear low.
It's an automatic. It starts in first gear low.
You know what I mean. Right, you're right.
Yeah.
Take it gently. You're going to drop off your front foot. Dental. Righto.
Yeah. Clear.
Walk her over. Keep walking gently.
Oh, there's a wasp. Fuck
Keep
off.
going. Keep going. Right. Rears are sliding down now. You're going to start dropping. Stop. Gentle. Gentle. Last in.
What's this here, one? Are we taking the cheap track or something? Gonna have to. I walked up that track and it's completely all overgrown, trees and all sorts of stuff. No fun, because that was where the nice big rock was. Yeah, well I'm hoping that going around it, it's going to come up to that section there. Reach out onto the back road going to Curry Surge.
We took a cheat track on the cheat track.
If you just want to keep coming, yeah, just keep following me and then I'll find a way around it.
Oh, mate.
Watch out, there's some big washouts there as well. One of them I've gone around a tree, just didn't look safe, so just keep that in mind.
Hey, at this intersection, Serge, did you go left or right?
Went left at the intersection and keep following that, you'll come up to some washout ruts and some of them can be a bit gnarly and I've gone around the tree on one of them.
Got a whippersnipper or something growing through the tree.
So you want me to go up that? Oh, fuck.
Is he up there? I thought he went down here.
Did you go down where the fucking... I don't even know, I'm going down it.
I thought I saw him go this way.
I just kept on going left and then yeah, just follow all the ruts but keep to the left.
No, you turned right.
Section that looks like a hill climbing to the left but just keep going straight.
Alright.
Oh, that's cool. I haven't seen that before.
What's that?
That tree back there, someone put a bit of metal in the fork.
Oh.
And it's growing around it now, and now it's stuck in there. I want to build a house out here. Bump.
Big bump.
Yeah.
Ooh, what do we got here, Davo? See, I can still do first gear low range.
Yeah, Tritronic style.
All good? Watch your ankle.
Everyone all right back out down the back? Tree, there is a way around it. It was just I decided to take the shortcut and see if I could do it.
I actually wonder how they ever got this fucking little ship on what's left of this car down here.
That was probably a Toyota Land Cruiser once, Dave.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Or a Corolla.
Either way. It was a something. Now it's part of the landscape.
Oh, so we could have tipped then if you weren't bailing us out.
I know, luckily.
Oops. Well, we'll bottom out here.
You go to the centre part, you might not.
Yeah.
A little bit.
It's only the tow bar.
An old bit of roadie. This is where we came in.
Yeah, we've just done a circle. Right, we are recording.
Thanks, mate.
Oh,
Straight up. What's going on?
fuck, that's pretty deep, Dave.
I know, we might need snorkels.
Oh, I've got a bow wave going. Look.
Get it out. How did your GoPro go in the dark?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, so mine needs a lot of light.
So?
Yeah, that's perfect. I noticed
Oh, bumpy.
Make it a little bit easier for your stop. One mile, I don't care, I can clear it going.
You think it'd be like more level in you, being that it was an old train liner.
Yeah, you would.
Fucking tracks or something. We should just stand in these holes and jump out. That's someone's sidestep.
What's that?
Yes! I'm getting wet.
Oh wow, that's deep.
That's fucking awesome, mate. You could drive up the wall, gee. Fucking hell.
There's a bit of gates sticking out, so just watch the bottom of your car.
Oh, that's pretty deep.
It's fucking sick. Oh shit. Oh.
Oh.
That's some fucking lean, isn't it?
Yeah.
There, chicken surge, you should slap one on the wall in here.
Oh.
Sounds worse than it is.
Oh, that was a tow
So,
bar.
yeah. Do we have to go back up that?
I don't know.
I think they said there's a chicken jack here. Is that where it comes out?
What's up?
Oh no!
What?
We didn't record any of it!
Lucky I did.
Oh fucking dickhead.